In this video, let us see about the power quality. What are the importance of power quality? What is the effect of power quality disturbances? Common power quality issues we encounter daily, and what is the solution for power quality issues? Let us see what you mean by power quality. We often prefer quality food, and when we want to buy some gadgets, we think about the audio quality, picture quality, and many other factors. But often we neglect the power quality. What is this power quality? It will specify the quality of the power we receive for our home or an industry. So this is the generating station from where we will get the power. So power quality refers to the stability and reliability of the electrical power. So any deviation in voltage, current and frequency, we call it as a power quality disturbance. In our homes, we normally get a 230 volt 50 Hz AC supply in our home. So we connect our loads to this point. If we get a pure sinusoidal waveform in our home, it is said to be high power quality. That is, the quality of the power is good and the equipment operating under this condition will be good. Whereas any deviations in this waveform, either it can be in the magnitude or the frequency, or you may have some distortions or spikes something, it is going to affect the equipment what you are using or what you are connecting to this plug point. For example, you are using an inverter in your home to provide backup during power failure. Most inverters will produce a stepped waveform like this. Though it appears to be sinusoidal, if you see clearly, here it is a stepped, some steps you can see. So this waveform, when it is given to a motor, it will produce heat, more heat. So the equipment failure with distorted waveform is more compared to with operating with sinusoidal waveform. So in case of a three-phase sinusoidal waveform, you can see the three-phase may be distorted or there may be some phase displacement. All the three waveforms should be always 120-degree displaced, but sometimes small shift may be there, or some due to nonlinear load, some harmonics may be introduced in the three-phase waveform. So these waveforms showed that the quality of the power is not good. So we saw about what is power quality, but is this a big issue to discuss? Let us see about it. Let us see what is the importance of this power quality. Here you can see a person testing the quality of the power using a power quality analyzer. This equipment is called a power quality analyzer. So this power should be of good quality for proper functioning of sensitive equipment. You might have noticed at your home sometimes our lights will be flickering. So flickering is a type of a power quality problem. That is, whenever there is a voltage fluctuation, we often see these type of flickering. Or you can hear some different sound from a fan. So all these are due to the poor power quality. In any industry, for example a textile industry, even a power outage for a shorter duration can lead to a major loss. Before starting the production, the machine has to go through a lot of procedures, and every time the machine starts there will be a huge inrush current. So the production loss as well as the maintenance cost mainly depends upon the quality of the power received by the industry. So industry people have more knowledge about the importance of power quality. There was a major power outage on 14th August 2003 in USA and Canada, so which has hit nearly 50 million people. So the major cause for this was the overgrown trees which hit the sagging overhead lines. It became a catastrophic event as many of the alarms did not work properly, and shutdown of generators occurred, and many people lost the power, and there was a huge financial loss because of that, which was estimated to be $4 to $10 billion at that time. Next, we will see about what are the causes of poor power quality. The first thing which comes to our mind is lightning strikes, which is not in our control. Next, the faults in the power system. So this can also lead to poor power quality. Switching on a large load can also affect the power quality. The last one is the non-linear load, which is the major cause for creating pollution in the power system. So the nonlinear loads are computer, inverter fed drives, then EV, electric vehicle or battery devices. All these are major reasons for creating pollution and introducing harmonics into the system. Now we will see what is the effect of this poor power quality. First thing is equipment failure. So you can see that normally nowadays inverter fed machines are common. That is, we are running from a power electronic based system. So power electronic, whenever you use a power electronic, it will become a non-linear device and it reduces a lot of harmonics into the system. So this machine which receives a polluted power gets damaged easily, and data loss and communications error will be there, and some of the devices are more sensitive, and when there is a disturbance in the power, some data will be lost and the lifespan of the equipment will be reduced and the energy consumption will be more, and there will be a lot of financial losses. Let us see about some of the power quality issues in the power system. So it can be under voltage or over voltage, or we can have flickers, that is voltage will be deviating from its nominal value. Then voltage swell can be there, and in case of three-phase system, the phases will be unbalanced, or frequency deviation can be there. That is a 50 hertz signal can be become a slightly deviate from its value to 49.6 or 50.2. Then whenever you use non-linear devices, you will get harmonics. Then voltage sag can be there, and transients due to switching operation or some interruption can be there. So these are some of the common power quality issues. Let us see the solutions for these power quality problems. So in case of a data center where not even a power outage for a single minute is acceptable, you should use a uninterrupted power supply unit, or they normally use a backup DG for that. And voltage stabilizers can be used for sensitive equipments. Then harmonic filters are used in some cases, because when you give a distorted input, the harmonic filters can you filter out and give you a sinusoidal wave, so that the machine will not, or the equipment will not get damaged. Then proper grounding and wiring is always a good solution, and you have to use proper monitoring devices to ensure the quality of the power. So the points to remember here are: power quality means it refers to the stability and reliability of the power supply. The power quality disturbances are any deviation in voltage, current and frequency. We call it as power quality disturbance. So the main causes of power quality issues are lightning strikes, faults in power systems, switching operation, non-linear loads and improper grounding. So the effect of power quality issues are equipment failure, data loss and communication error, reduced equipment lifespan, increased energy consumption and financial losses. If you like the material, subscribe to Read Electric Vehicle channel, and if you want the study material, you can refer to this website. Thank you.